Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the opening screen in Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. This setting allows you to decide what you see first when you launch the browser, whether you prefer your home page. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After entering Settings, scroll down and find the option labeled Homepage. Now, tap on Homepage to open the opening screen preferences. Here, you will see three options. You can choose Homepage to always start with your preferred homepage, or select Last Tab to resume from the tab you were using previously. Finally, you can choose Homepage after hours of inactivity, which opens the homepage if the browser has not been used for some time. Make your selection based on your browsing needs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.